Hello students, welcome to our channel Traveler World. Today we are going to discuss about interview guidelines for work etiquette program BTech CSC, Machine Learning and Data Analytics in tie-up with Quantify, in which I would like to tell you now about the guidelines for interview that you should know about the different weightage for different parameters for the interview. So let's start the video. There are 8 different parameters on the basis of which you have been judged for the interview, in which different weightage are there for all the parameters. 8 parameters are: first is communication, presentation and storytelling skills, for which 20% weightage is there for this parameter. Second is attention to detail, in which 20% weightage is there for this parameter. Third is taking initiative, that has been 15% weightage. Fourth is problem solving, having 10% weightage. Fifth is persuasion skills, that means how you can demonstrate any idea or any skill you have, that is having 10% weightage. Sixth is creative thinking, that means how much creativity that you can do in any project or anything, that has having 10% weightage. Seventh is ability to handle any stress, that means in any complex situation how much you can stress you can handle, how you can solve the any complex situation, so that is having also 10% weightage. Eighth and last is decision making, having 5% weightage, that means how you can take any decision in any situation. So these are the 8 different parameters for qualifying the interview, and accordingly you can have the weightage different. So accordingly you can give the interview and make your mind for these different parameters. So if you have any doubt, you can apply, you can ask us in the comment section, and also apply with LPU Nest exam and interview with the coupon code LPURMB124 and have maximum to maximum discount in your LPU Nest exam. So if you have any query, you can please ask us in the comment section, and subscribe our channel Traveler World for more videos like this. Thank you.